Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at a Gibson J200 Western Classic, a very celebrated guitar which has some really cool appointments. But before we get into it, make sure to click the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. On to the Gibson J200 Western Classic. This particular guitar is a close replica of the guitar that Ray Whitley used in 1937. It is a J200 body style. It has rosewood back and sides, as you can see here. It has a beautiful period correct 30s sunburst, classic mustache bridge, rosewood fingerboard with pearl block inlay. And what makes this guitar the Western Classic, and what I think is the coolest part of this guitar, is the period correct bound pickguard, which is just super classy looking. The multi-ply binding on the outside, along with the purfling set about a little bit shy of a ½ inch on the inside of the top, makes for like this classy tuxedo look, perfect for singing cowboys such as Ray Whitley, and the classy headstock. Now, I don't normally focus on the headstock, but this one particularly grabs my eye. Classic Gibson style headstock with a classy flower pot logo and the Gibson logo in script, just like it was done in the 30s. Also, gold Waverly tuners on that, which happen to be made right here in Bozeman. Again, solid rosewood back and sides with a cool Western rope back strip and a laminate maple neck, which make this a glorious sounding J200. So let's give it a play so you can hear it. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.